Okay.
There's a child
What?
next to me.
Wait, what do you mean there's a child next? Oh, I'm still loading, bro.
There's a child next to me.
Bro, that's pedophilia. Get him off. I was taking a sip of beer while you fucking made that nostril ass noise. What the fuck was that? Bro, I'm in the plane. There's like a death note right before me. What is this? Oh shit! Alright, sick, yeah.
The child is dying.
Good. You can eat his flesh later. What?
There's a man. The man's taking the child.
Oh.
The man's taking the child. The man's
Another pedophile has appeared.
Why you bullying me?
Why is he red though? Oh, there he goes. There goes that one that one Avenger. What was his name? Vision. There goes Vision. Alright. Let's get some supplies. First thing to do in a plane crash. This sensitivity is so fucked. Why do you have an X? Contrast. Field of view. Wait, can I put it like up all the way? What would happen if I put it up all the way? Oh my god! It's a little bit deadly, I think. Catch. Oh fuck. My tennis ball. No, it's running away from. That thing yeeted. Oh my god, a deer. Tennis ball.
Oh my god. Get the deer! Get the deer!
Come here, bitch! Come here, bitch! Alright, I have no idea where I am now. Oh, I'm breathing hard. I think oh! This bitch is back for revenge, get him! Oh... Wait, what the fuck is he doing? Man's just murdering a tree. That's not okay by Pira. That's not how trees work! What the fuck? Hold up! Alright, welcome to the end of the world, I guess. Hey, 10 bucks to fall off.
Let's get this way.
Yo, can I fucking murk this bird, you think?
This side.
I killed a bird!
There's a rabbit.
Hey bro, what is this? That's one freaky ass tree, what the fuck? Alright, I actually want to see these logs rolled around the hill, so...
I'm fast.
Oh my god, Fizz. Why is it hovering down? Ready, come here. This log is a hovercraft. Anyway, I'm gonna pick that back up.
Let's go. Welcome to our camp spot. It's beautiful. Let's keep it that way.
Alright, yeah, let's fucking murder animals here and hang their carcasses.
Okay.
What did you have in your hands? Can I press U? It might be Y. What the fuck is this? Oh my god, what the fuck? You have telekinesis. I put it on fire now.
No. Okay, press B to open up your op.
It's dead.
Wait.
Open this book. Where's the bird I murdered?
I went for a swim.
Wait, what? What do you mean? Die!
Die, but yes.
Alright, how do I cook this bitch?
Oh my god, look what I have in my hand.
Hold up, I'm trying to figure out where my inventory is the bird. Why do you have his head only? Why is it like a thumb? It's like a fucking puppet, what the fuck?
Okay, so I say you make a shelter quick.
So cook.
You cook.
Oh, I have its head. Put it on fire. Didn't work. It's a trophy? Are you kidding me? There's the bird. Equip. Put on. Oh fuck! I don't think I put it on right, Rainy. I don't think I put it on right.
We don't have enough sticks and it's getting dark, which means the monsters are gonna come out.
I'm gonna kill more birds. The only thing I care for in this game is murdering birds.
I collect. Give me these sticks right now. If you don't give me the stick, we're going to die.
Huh?
Just see you hitting a bird to death in the distance.
What are you talking about? I'm not doing anything.
Okay, so to place the meat on you press C.
That's a leaf. Equip meat. Put on. Oh! How do I eat?
You crouch the campfire and press C to eat where the Pac-Man symbol is. You go in the fire quick. You go in the water quick. Water. Run to it. You'll go.
Help me.
You're welcome to.
Alright, can we like make a apartment, like a 2-story house? Oh, well. Hey, it's my job.
Oh, did you hit it first time?
I must fill a cabinet with bird heads. It's important. This tree is taking a lot to do or something. Am I hitting a rock or something? No, never mind. There it goes. Can I push it towards one direction? I want it to fall this way.
Nope.
You whore.
It almost fell on me.
Yep, that's right. I aimed it for you. Off the fire. What the fuck?
Welcome to our home.
Can I eat it?
No, you can't. Sleep.
Oh, I pressed C. That's it. Camp out. Buggers. Yo, a bird! Prepare to die. Where's the trophy? I require a bird head. That sounds fucked.
I require a bird head.
I thought like bird head, you know? That would be really painful. Considering they have beaks. Opens book. Bird! Say goodnight. I'm gonna make a compilation of other birds I've murked.
Aha!
Catch. I have rope, by the way. Do we need any rope?
I have rope. I don't think it's needed yet. Okay, wait. Oh my god! You
It landed over here!
You destroyed the fire again!
I was trying to light it. I accidentally clicked instead of fucking done that. Oh, hey, a bird. You can't run from me. The rock, but you can't run. See? No one ever saw that. Good to know. Hey. Stick holder. For your stick. Hold sticks with your sticks. What? Alright, log holder. That's actually useful. Alright, I need to find out how I can keep my bird heads though. That's the real objective here.
Oh shit, I ran into the fire.
What the fuck? I look away for 1 second and you're already on fire. Hey, don't look over there. That's mine. That's my secret project.
Oh, the trophy cup.
My whole purpose is to murder birds in this game. Alright. Oh, okay, cool. Let's make a multi-part series then. That's what we did like one of the first on my channel.
Okay, wait, so this will be part 1, because
Yep.
we got pretty fast.
I mean, we're probably already at part 2, not gonna lie.
Okay, welcome to part 2, everyone.
I wanna throw rocks at birds, can I do that?
Yeah,
Oh, actually?
yeah. It's an actual thing.
Where are my rocks? Snipe! Oh my god, first try!
Do you actually?
Look at the bird out there.
Oh my god.
I'm just too good at killing birds, dude. Burn faster. Oh my god, a bird! Goodbye. Oh, you little shit. You think you can run?
Yes.
Can you hear me killing the birds, by the way? Can you just hear me go every so often?
Yeah.
Sick.